divas! Welcome to my channel. Here she is. She's giving a 1920s Maddie. Look at those hair curls. Look at those lips. We're actually wearing the same lash. So people who are getting this better feel loved that I gave out some of my favorite lashes. Also, this is the flower pot we went with for his mother. And we got these like lilies. I did make her a pot too, but I decided she can pick what she puts in there. She says she'll be like, this big girl. I love her. Naming her Bertha. I mean, she's a lily, so maybe it's Lily, but... Welcome to my journey of planting. I need the plant first that I got from my mom to put in Miss Divalicious here. She doesn't have ears. I decided against putting the ears on because of her hair. But actually, yeah, it would look weird. It's a daylily. I think that, oh no, it's a dahlia. I don't know. Dahlia. Pink. I'm scared. This feels wrong. I feel like I'm gonna rip its head off. How do you get it out? The other one you could just pull out. I feel like I'm gonna rip its spine out. Maybe I should cut it. Recontinuing later. Divas! We're back. I decided to take scissors and just cut the plastic. I'm scared. People think this is enjoyable. I'm getting rage. Like, I feel like it's trying to rage bait me. Hey, how do you... come on, girl. Just gotta birth it. Girl, stay intact. You can do it. Come on, push. Seems a bit tall. I guess I don't need dirt. Let's just... Oh, we're not going to show Derek the table. We're not going to show Derek... Oh, God. Is it in your lashes? Diva! I'll fix you.